Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create custom shape bookmark corner fold in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create a new canvas. Then select the custom shape tool from the toolbar. From the shape picker, choose a bookmark or corner fold shape. Click and drag the shape onto the top corner of the canvas. Hold shift to keep proportions clean. Change the fill color to a bright accent color. Duplicate the shape using Ctrl plus J. Then select the duplicate and slightly resize it smaller. Change its color to a darker shade. Move it slightly inward to create a folded effect. Double click the top shape layer. Add a soft inner shadow.